We up here in the Monongahela, over by Lake Summit, making our way back to the trucks.
Terrill and I hadn't seen each other since May 2021 when we did the Explore Series episodes, traveling out west to Arizona, Utah, and New Mexico. He was down from Chicago for a wedding, and I was home for a couple of weeks from Honduras, so we decided to meet up in West Virginia and spend a few days camping, hiking, backpacking, and bike riding in the area.
I wanted to get a new pair of North Face. They were $140, and I was like, I had already spent so much money.
We wanted to do something a little bit different for this trip, so we came up with a photo challenge, itemizing 11 different things that we wanted to take pictures of. It's not a competition. Terrill's been studying photography as of late and has really inspired me to pick my camera back up. So throughout this video and the other episodes, you're going to see the two of us taking a lot of photos. And if there's interest, maybe in the final series or the final episode, we'll post all 11 photos that the two of us have taken.
That's right. One of your dogs goes after a bear, you got bear dogs.
After Summit Lake, we decided to head over to the Pocahontas Trail and do the downhill bike ride starting at Frosty Gap Road. Terrill is a badass on the mountain bike, so you're gonna see a majority of him in these next couple of clips. This was my first time riding downhill on a mountain bike, and I just don't want to break up Terrill's awesome skills right here. So we're just gonna take a minute and admire this for a second.
Damn, son!
Epic trail, bro.
I know, right?
Epic trail.
Right here, mountain biking in Washington State. Not really. Although you wouldn't be able to tell otherwise.
Begins with a W.
What happened, man? Almost chopped my balls off, man. Oh.
Following the bike ride, we decided to head towards Scenic Highway 150 to look for camp. Prior to doing so, we made a slight detour to one of the scenic overlooks before finally setting up along the Williams River for the night. on the back of my spine. Where we going tonight? You know I saw that eye in the corner of the light, playing games with my mind. It's going down tonight. So ready for this, on the floor. Oh, you know that I'm coming back for more.